channel. Welcome to spring. My lovely Iris ocheri indigo is in bloom. This plant looks like corn, but of course it doesn't have anything to do with corn. It has a bulb with thick roots, and it lives in semi-arid conditions in Asia, I believe. Also, my Primula juliae Wanda is in flower, and soon Ranunculus ficaria brazen hussy will be in flower. I also have some lovely plants from the United States, and I don't remember the name. Maybe it's Claytonia virginica. It has a white flower with soft pink veins. And the Iris tuberosa, or old name Hermodactylus tuberosus, is also in flower. And I have lovely thick buds of hyacinth coming up. I don't know if you can see it. So lovely plants everywhere. That would be all for today. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.